I have to connect all these devices to my testing station through Automotive Ethernet. But how should I do it? Well, I suppose I have to buy several interfaces and stack them on my station. But now I have to connect all these interfaces with power and communication lines. It will be impossible to maintain such system. I wish there was an easier solution for this problem, like an equipment with more than one converter.
We have the solution for your problem. Our bus interface module 3.1, with Automotive Ethernet converters, provides up to 60 converters in one 4U rack equipment. With a single supply and a single control interface, it's a much cleaner solution for systems with more than one DUT. The box is modular, with the possibility to add other modules for different functionalities. In the unlikely event of a malfunction, the modules are easily replaceable. For more information, send us an email to info@pt.modular.com.